Starting orders, Joe at 1, Eric 2, Steve 3, Brandon 4, Jim 5. Get them lined up and get the show started. No more speed on the straightaway. All righty. We got Joe going to the tone. The rest of you, when I call your name. Eric. Steve. Brandon. Jim. Ooh, let's go on Pete. Nice. All right, time to beat 17 on a 508 set by Joe Mintek last round. Right now we got Joe on a 17 on a 502, Eric 17 on a 512, Steve 16 on a 5 flat. We are 130 down, 330 lead. Go, Jared, 130 down, 330 to go. Joe out in front, Eric in number 2 spot, Steve in 3, Jim 4, Brandon 5. Fast up on the track so far, set of Joe with a 17.3, Eric backing it up with a 17.7. Joe stays right now 18 on a 5.17, almost a lot faster than his previous PT time. Eric 17 on a 5.10, almost faster than the previous PT time. Careful at the end of the straightaway. Thanks for the volunteer marshal. Caution after the corner table, caution corner table, and it's clear. Already 3 down, 2 to go, 3 down, 2 to go. 2 minutes left on the master clock. Joe has slowed down a little bit, 17 on 5 flat. Eric only 8.5 seconds behind him. Tag ends up on the on-road track. I think that was a traction roll. There we go. Ooh. Into the straightaway. Dangerous. Caution on the roller, caution on the roller. Go out wide. And we're good. 40 seconds left on the master clock, 40 seconds to go. Holy moly. So keep running until they call your name. Still 15 seconds to go. And that is a master clock. If you don't want to call your name, keep driving until they call your name. Steve, you're done. Joe, you're done. Jim, you're done. Just waiting on Eric and Brandon. Eric and Brandon to finish. That's it.